Today I'm going to teach you how to make audio sound far away in DaVinci Resolve. This technique is perfect for creating depth in your audio mix and making dialogue or sound effects appear as if they're coming from a distance. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application and load the project you're working on. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several workspace tabs. Click on the one labeled Fairlight. This is DaVinci Resolve's dedicated audio workspace, and it's where all the magic happens when it comes to sound design and mixing. After switching to Fairlight, direct your attention to the right side of your screen. Here you'll find a panel called Mixer. This is your audio mixing console where you can control and adjust individual audio tracks. The Mixer gives you complete control over volume levels, effects, and routing for each audio track in your project. Now you need to identify which audio track your audio clip is on. Look through the Mixer panel and find the track that contains the audio you want to make sound distant. Each track is clearly labeled, so this should be straightforward. Once you've located the correct audio track, look for a section labeled Effects. You'll see a small plus icon next to it. Click on this plus icon to open the Effects menu. From the options that appear, click on Reverb and then select Reverb again from the submenu. This adds a reverb effect to your audio track, which is essential for creating that distant sound quality. With the reverb effect now applied, it's time to adjust the settings. The first parameter you'll want to modify is reverb time. Increasing the reverb time will make your audio sound like it's in a larger space, which naturally contributes to that far away feeling. The more reverb time you add, the more distant and spacious your audio will sound. Next, increase the distance parameter. This setting specifically controls how far away the audio appears to be from the listener. Adjusting this slider will push your audio further back in the mix, creating that effect of someone speaking or a sound occurring from across a room or outdoor space. After you've made these adjustments, close the effects panel. Now it's time to play back your audio and hear the results. Hit play and listen carefully to how your audio now sounds distant and spatial, as if it's coming from far away rather than right in front of you. And that's it. You've successfully created a distant audio effect in DaVinci Resolve using reverb and distance controls. This simple technique can dramatically improve the realism and depth of your audio mix. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.